Hi, Maureen. Everyone's got their own things going on. Comparing yourself to others is like asking what's better, a taco or a telescope. One fills your stomach and the other fills your brain. Both amazing, but you don't eat telescopes, right? Unless you are a parent with a very special test. Most of us are like doing cool stuff quietly behind the scenes. No fireworks, no marching bands. But hey, who needs something like that when you have got your own rhythm? So keep rocking your thing, even if it feels like no one's watching. But you have to remember, the universe always notices.